In this particular video, I'm going to show you one simple thing I changed in my business that helped me generate over $10,000 in the past month. Just last month, I did over $10,000 and this basically helped me. And one thing is that if you actually watch this particular video to the very end, you would see the secrets to most people who are successful, because personally, I actually learned this particular thing from someone I was looking at, and I decided to adopt and implement this for my business, and it's skyrocketed. Guys, watch this particular video to the very end. This is no BS. Now, this particular thing I'm about to show you right now is going to help you to, one, generate more leads. It's going to help you to generate more leads. Two, it's going to help you to build more credibility, right? And three, it's going to help you to start making more sales. So if you're selling a service or you're selling a product, basically this particular secret right now is going to help you to do these three things, which will help you in turn to start making so much money from your online business. So basically, you already know that if you have an online business, there is no other thing you actually want to do right now than investing in things that would help build you the money system that you actually need in order to scale, especially if you already understood that you are looking at the long term and not even just now, right? And this is exactly what I did for myself. And what I simply did here was to get a personal website. Now, when you go over to the website, franklinemmanuel.com, as you can see on your screen right here, you basically see this is me sitting pretty right on this particular web page. And one of the things you notice is that I actually have about myself and then a couple of services and products I actually offer, and I actually have a CTA. You would even see a couple of brands I've worked with in the past, okay? Scrolling down, you will also see a couple of YouTube videos I have for my YouTube channel, and I just introduced adverts on my page, meaning that there is also another income stream that I also want to start using to make money right here on this particular website. Now, I also have series of blogs, and I also have series of other pages that generate me money like clockwork. But I want to show you guys how you can also have your own personal website right now. And what I'm doing right now is also giving you a special deal that would help you to get that personal website up and running in the quickest of time and also in the cheapest way possible. Now, the very first thing you actually want to do when you're actually setting up your own personal website is thinking of your own domain and your hosting. The domain basically is the name. For example, franklinemmanuel.com. Right, that is just the name. Okay, so if your name is George Stanley, it will be georgestanley.com. If your name is Paul Michael, it will be paulmichael.com. Whatever it is, right, that's his domain name. Now, the hosting is exactly what carries everything that is built on the website, right? The hosting carries every of the load that is on the website, from the pictures to the text to the videos, everything that is on the website. The hosting carries all of those. It's more of like a storage space or a server space that you get on the web. Okay, so when you have a domain name, you should also have a server space that carries the weight of everything on the bit. So the domain name actually addresses people over to what is hosted already. Do you understand that now? Let me know in the comment section below. But then the biggest deal you're going to be getting right here is the New Year's deal. Now, I actually understand that it's still a little bit past the new year, but then there is still a huge opportunity to jump on this right now because it will be ending soon. Now, what you want to do right now is to go over to franklinemmanuel.com/hostinger. Okay, go over to franklinemmanuel.com/hostinger. Guys, I'm actually not sharing with you guys my affiliate link because I feel like actually making money off you, but I'm sharing with you my affiliate link because it is actually one of the very first steps to start getting the cheapest deal on here, because I really went at the back and actually made a very cool deal that I'm sharing with you right now. Okay, now once you're in here, you're actually coming over and you're seeing that you're going to be getting this for $2.49 per month. Now, forget all of this and let's go over and click on claim deal. Now, when we click on claim deal right here, let's click on add to cart so that we can actually proceed to getting all of the deals we want to get. Now, you can see that there's a lifetime deal that is actually ending within 3 days. That is why this is the best time to jump on this offer right now. Okay, now coming down here, you can see here we have the 1 month setup for people who actually just want to set up something quick for themselves and they don't really care about long-term money. They want it fast, right? Or maybe you don't have the budget. But then we also have the 12 months plan. We also have the 24 months plan, which is 2 years plan. But then for this particular huge deal, please guys, you want to jump on the 4-year plan. Now, what it simply means is that you are going to be getting your hosting for 4 years. Okay, and that hosting you're getting for 4 years, you would also get a free domain for your first year. That means your paulmichael.com or georgestanley.com, you will get it for free for the first year. This is the offer that you're going to be getting because you're using my link to actually access this particular website right now. That link is going to be in the description of this particular video. Okay, now you can also see that you're going to be getting $2.49 per month. But hold on guys, because there's much more discount on here. I'm here to actually give you guys the cheapest deal ever. There is no place you're going to ever get this. Whichever hosting websites you use, there is no place you're going to be getting this, especially with the value you get even after paying very little. Okay, now I'm coming down here. You can actually see that you can log in, but you don't have an account most probably. Then you can actually scroll down and you see that for 4 years you are paying $119. You are paying $119 for 4 years. Now this is not all. This is not all, because in as much as you are paying this, sometimes I usually tell people to go and check. I tell people to go and check other websites and see how much you pay for 4 years, and you will see that you are actually getting a very huge discount on here. Okay, now once you're in here, you basically see that you can actually go ahead and put in your details and all of those things. The discount you're getting here is over 79%, because normally you'll be charged $456 in order to access this particular product. But then guys, before we go ahead to start paying, it says here have a coupon. Say yes, you have a coupon, and what you want to come here and do is just to add my name again. No, add Frank as the name. And when you actually add Frank as the name, you see that you actually be getting $107. That is you saving about $12 extra, right? Beyond the 79% discount, you're now getting 81% discount because you are also adding my name, Frank. Okay, now what you want to do is to go ahead and get to make purchase for this particular hosting at $107, and this is actually a very huge steal because you would never get this particular costing anywhere else. Now, in order to actually pay for this particular hosting, there are several options you have. Okay, one is you can actually go ahead and use the cheaper cash card, where you get to use your Naira to buy dollars and use the dollar card to pay on here. Okay, 2 is if you have the Payoneer card, you can use the Payoneer card to pay if you have Payoneer funds in your account. Okay, 3 is going to get the UBA dollar prepaid card, where you can deposit dollars and then use it to pay on here. And the 4, which is actually one that most people are using right now, is the Providus Platinum card. And this is it here. As you can see right here, this is my own Providus Platinum card, and you can just basically see how it looks, and you can just use this, right? Once you have this particular card right now, you are going to be able to get to credit it with Naira, the equivalent in Naira, just using the black market exchange rates. Okay, and you can use it to pay in any international website. So this is also where I'm showing you how to actually pay with international website and all. Now once you've been able to do this, the next step here is where your payment is successful, and then they're going to ask you for what domain name you want to have. Because you're going to be getting a free domain name, you can go ahead and input the domain name, and then they're going to link it for you. Now this is where their support comes up, because their support is just like crazy. They give you full support for everything you basically need. Now once you have actually been able to achieve this is what to do next, because underneath this particular video you're watching right now, you want to go ahead and come over to this video. If you simply search for personal websites with Franklin Manuel, you're going to see this particular video right now. I'm showing on your screen on YouTube, right? And you can come over and watch this video. I did a tutorial of over 28 minutes where I'm showing you exactly what to do and how to set up your website. Okay, now once you've been able to achieve this, you have your website fully set up and you have different things in place and in structure for yourself. Okay, so now this is exactly what you should actually go ahead and do right now, and also how it works. And you want to basically leverage on this particular opportunity right now, claim this particular deal, and start making so much more for yourself in this very space. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this particular video. Do well to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to the channel, smash the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. And with this guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace.